Guys, this is a 1985. See if we can get the... Look what the dude did. He modified the levers, cut these down. No connection there. I'm going to need a new left control complete. I'm going to replace the right control complete. It's going to need a chain, tires. There's no tank, no rear fender, but that's cool. That's no problem. The front turn signals, we're changing them anyway. Let me show you the headlight. Let me show you what he did with the headlight. He put like a bulb in the headlight. Look, this is to control the headlight right here. Look at the bulb inside there. That's off. I don't know if they super glued that on or what. No, that's nothing. I don't think the forks leak, but I might do the forks over anyway. I might put stronger springs in the forks if I can find them. Everything is spray painted black. Thank God the wiring harness for the back is here. He actually marked everything, so that's cool. And I told you we're getting rid of the stock air cleaner. There's no battery box, but that doesn't matter because we're getting rid of that. The frame is on the way, by the way. The frame is on the way. One thing I didn't know, I didn't see, both these bolts. This bolt here, I don't know what he did. He mocked some kind of bolt up. The other one's broken. Those two are okay on that side. Those two are okay. But I don't know how long this hasn't been running for, but we're going to find out. But yeah, those two exhaust bolts, those two exhaust studs are going to be changed. They're going to definitely have to be changed. It has oil. Pegs got to go. I need new pegs on it. So that's my project. Looks like they had a bobber. This was set up for a bobber. So this is what I'm up against, guys. Very first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the oil. We're going to put half oil, half seafoam in the engine. We'll take the carb off. We'll clean the carb out. Okay? We'll get this running. If it runs. If it doesn't run, I have to buy an engine. Because I already bought the frame. I'm already into it. Too late for me to turn around. Alright. Wish me luck.